unique topic. Our main objective of choosing the topic is that to make everyone aware of this pandemic and to show those situations how the lockdown happened in our country. How the school, college, cinema hall and bus and train and shop are closed during the time of COVID-19. Thank you.
I request teachers to assign with the students. Please make them sit quietly. Please make them sit quietly. I request all the teachers
When
to assign with the students.
was
Please make them sit quietly. Students,
From ICU.
please leave the phone.
ICU,
Where will it get ICU?
Sit back. Sit.
What represent them?
what we call this?
Dead bodies are kept there.
Dead bodies are kept there.
ICU.
Those bodies who have died
Yes,
in the pandemic
Yes.
COVID-19. Okay, that should
Dead
be
bodies are
buried.
kept
Okay,
there. Yes,
okay. Pandemic situation COVID-19.
What is the meaning of pandemic?
Acha, we all know about the hand sanitizer. What is the use of hand sanitizer?
clean our hands.
When it should be applied?
After coming from shop and outside, we should use sanitizer.
And few things we learned from this pandemic that keep social distance. What is the meaning of social distance?
Social distance. We need to take social distance because the virus can spread anywhere.
And we are using some clothes and some utensils over here. What is called?
Masks protect our body from pollution, virus, germs.